In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily change your Instagram ID name. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Instagram app and then go to your profile. After that, tap at Edit Profile, and that's where we can change our name and username. That is your Instagram name, that is your Instagram username. If you want to change username, you can easily do so by simply deleting the current one and entering new one. The username must be unique, and if you choose a username that is already taken, you will get an error and need to add some random characters here or add a new one. Once you've done with that, tap at Done. In most cases, you will be able to change your username back to old one for another 14 days. That's how you can easily change your Instagram ID name. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.